Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Tinder ban accounts. To know how to fix or how to solve Tinder ban, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will search about Tinder app. When you'll find this list of app info, you will click on full stop and you will click OK. Here we go to this window of storage. After that, we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about Tinder. You can find here in this blue sign update, and you can click to update your apps. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.